Welcome to the project demonstration of solar based e-uniform for soldiers to provide the heat and cooling. So based on the weather conditions. So here we are going to provide the cooling and heating from this Peltier plate. So which is provide the thermoelectric coupler. So the main purpose of this Peltier plate is which will transfer the heat from one side to another side. So parallelly by providing the reverse polarity, this heating side will provide the cooling and the cooling side will provide the heating concept. So based on the reverse polarity from the battery. So here we are using 12 volts 2 amp rechargeable battery. So this battery pack consists of 3 4 volt 1 amp batteries are in series. So here also 3 4 volt 1 amp batteries are in series. So this 12 volt 1 amp and 12 volt 1 amp is connected in parallel. So we will get 12 volt 2 amp. So DC output directly given as input to this Peltier plate through this toggle switch. So which is used to control the polarity of the Peltier plate. So this one is provide the plus minus and this one will provide the minus plus reverse polarity. Based on that we are going to provide the heating and cooling for this Peltier plate. So here we are using rechargeable battery, so which can recharge from the solar panel as well as from the transformer. So means 230 volts AC input whenever there is no sunlight is available for the battery to recharge. So here we are connecting the 12 volts DC output from the solar panel to this charging circuit. So on this charging circuit we can see 4 diodes which will act as a bridge rectifier. So bridge rectifier means which will use it to convert the AC to DC. So here we are providing DC power supply. So then this bridge rectifier will act as a polarity corrector. Means if is there any reverse polarity connected to this charging circuit, means instead of plus minus, minus plus is connected, then this 4 diodes will rectify that as a polarity corrector and provide us the plus minus output. So through the capacitor and through the diodes we are going to give as input to this battery directly. So whenever the battery is fully charged, so these 2 diodes will block the current flow from the battery to the solar panel. So in that way we can protect the charging circuits along with solar panel by using these 2 diodes. So coming to this charging circuit, so here these 4 diodes will act as a rectifier here because we are providing AC input, alternating currents. So these 4 diodes will rectify that alternating current to the pulsating DC current, and then this capacitor will remove the pulses and provide us the smooth DC output. So remaining process is same as usually. So through the diodes we are going to provide the input to the battery. So if you want to charge a battery from the 230 volts AC input, just on the charging circuit this light will get switched on. So when we place this solar panel under the sunlight, so which will provide the 12 volts DC output. So if you want to charge a battery from the transformer or solar panel, it will be fully charged in a duration of 8 hours. So till 8 hours we should keep the solar panel under the sunlight, or else if you want to charge a battery from the transformer, then you need to on that for at least 8 hours. And then when we want to utilize that for cooling and heating purpose, just we switch on that. The light indication will be there. As you can sense, this one is the cooling side and this will provide the heating one. So if you want to change the polarity, then we should off and wait till both sides come to the room temperature. Then only you can change that. So it will take maximum of 10 to 15 seconds and you can change the polarity now. And now you can switch on that. So then we can sense the cooling side will getting heat up now and the heating side comes down to cooling one. So very important thing is before switching this polarity we should keep this Peltier plate to the room temperature. Then only we need to change the polarity for the heating and cooling purpose.